This video is courtesy of BrainyBuyer.com, your shortcut to smarter shopping. If these deep dive comparisons help you pick the perfect gear, show some love with a quick subscribe. Hey, I'm looking at these two espresso machines, the Breville Barista Touch and the De'Longhi Magnifica XS. What's the deal?
Okay, so the Breville Barista Touch, that's the BES88 BTR, is pretty fancy. It's got a touch screen and does everything basically automatically. The De'Longhi ECAM22110B-X, on the other hand, seems more basic.
Basic how?
Well, the De'Longhi has manual controls instead of a touchscreen. It's also a renewed product, so it's refurbished. Availability is also an issue. It seems to be out of stock.
Ah, right. What about the core stuff, like grinding?
Both have integrated conical burr grinders, which is good. The Breville lets you control the dose with a single touch, which sounds convenient. The De'Longhi lets you select if you want to use whole beans or ground coffee.
And water pressure. Is there anything fancy going on there?
The Breville has a low-pressure pre-infusion thing that gradually increases pressure. It also heats up super fast, in like 3 seconds, with its thermojet system. The De'Longhi doesn't mention anything that fancy.
Okay, so Breville is winning on the tech front. What about milk frothing? I love a good latte.
The Breville has an auto steam wand where you can adjust the milk temperature and texture. It's supposed to give you barista quality microfoam. The De'Longhi has a rapid cappuccino system, but it sounds more manual. You put the milk container under the nozzle and it froths it.
Right, so the Breville does more of the work for you. What about size and capacity?
The De'Longhi is a bit smaller in depth, but wider and taller. It holds 60 ounces of water. The Breville holds 67 ounces of water, and the bean hopper is half a pound.
Okay, so slightly bigger. And what about cleaning? I hate cleaning.
De'Longhi claims their machines only need half the cleaning time as other brands, and unlike competitor machines, they don't require chemical cleaning tablets monthly.
Okay, and what about price?
Well, the Breville is listed at $799.95, down from $999.95. The De'Longhi doesn't have a listed price, and it is also out of stock.
So overall, the Breville Barista Touch is pricier, but you get a lot more automation and features. The De'Longhi Magnifica XS is simpler, and being a renewed product, it might be a more budget-friendly option if you can find it. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.